my face properly. All right, guys. I want to run you through my trade for today, which is the 5th of February 2026. So, right at market open, the thing that kind of drew my interest was on the 1 hour, we had this bearish fair value gap, and we had also kind of displaced it also kind of displaced below this low. So I kind of had a strong belief that we would go down to take out these lows right here. And obviously these lows are intermediate 4 hour lows. So you can see that these lows are lows which are made inside a 4 hour bullish gap. So it's kind of like a strong draw on liquidity. If you've been watching my videos, you know about these intermediate highs and lows. But yeah, we tap into this, we sweep it, we reject off of it. You see that we were not able to close a candle body. We're not even able to close a 1 hour candle body below it. So I know that, okay, we're not going to come down for these lows. We're now going to probably push higher, maybe take this out, just because liquidity will just bounce from which each point. So yeah, this was the trade that I took, right? I took one loss, which could have been avoided. That was a bad loss, and I'm glad I closed it the way I did because I could have held it longer and she could have gone so much worse. But yeah. So my trade was off of this 30 minute. This was the winning trade off of this 30 minute. I literally entered somewhere around here and managed to catch this. I just needed a winning day, to be honest. And that's that. I would have liked to target maybe this PD array. You see that this PD array has been hit. This was one of my targets. So my stop was trailed pretty tight, and I came out at a good price as well. Came out somewhere around here. Yeah, so that's fine. Um, would this high be hit? I don't know, but I knew that definitely we'll trade back into this 1 hour gap. So that's kind of more what I was targeting. Then this was a trade that I missed at market open from this 1 hour gap. You can see that at this 1 hour gap, I feel like the thing that reduced my conviction for this trade was the fact that we weren't able to close like candle bodies below this. This kind of rejected and this rejected a bit. I guess maybe that's what manipulated me, even though that's not really the right thing that I should have been doing at the time. But yeah, I would have liked to be in these shorts at market open. So if I were to enter, I guess it's because news was kind of approaching, and I felt like since news approaching, I don't want to mess up my prop firm rule that I can't trade 2 minutes or 2 minutes after news. But I probably still should have taken this. We had this change in state of delivery on the 5 minute. So if I took this short, I could have had something like this, you know, stop loss somewhere here. Then maybe could have targeted these lows. And yeah, that could have basically been my trade, but I did not catch this, which is fine, it's fine. But it was a really good trade, and happy to see it play out like that. So that was basically it. Um, I hope you guys are getting a bit of an understanding of the thought processes that I'm using when I'm taking these trades. Let me see. Is there anything I haven't spoken about? Not really. I think we've spoken about everything in terms of today's price action. And yeah, all right. See you guys in the next one.